Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today's cake is Raksha Bandhan special Rakhi cake made of only cream and some sprinkle balls. So let's get started. This is a 8-inch square cake and I have already colored the cake with black gel color. Now I am going to mark the cake with a circle. So this circle is for the Rakhi border, Rakhi design, and one small circle also I have going to mark. So our Rakhi outline is ready now. Now I am going to decorate the inside circle with some sprinkles. One is pearls, edible pearl, and with some silver balls. I am going to decorate the Rakhi. So now done with our silver balls. Now again I am going to cover the round circle with some golden balls. All are edibles. So our inner circle is ready now. Now time to decorate our Rakhi. This is pink gel color. In a piping bag I have mixed whipping cream with pink gel color and I have given a small cut and I am going to give some design. So I am going to give a thread like design. So just move your hand inward outward. So you will get a thread shaped design. So in market all the Rakhis are made of threads and some stone designs. So instead of making stone thread, I have used cream over here and some edible pink sprinkles to get a proper Rakhi shape. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Surprise your siblings with this Rakhi cake in this Raksha Bandhan and ask for more gifts. Now I am going to finish the thread design with giving some outline of silver balls. Now we are going to make a strand for the Rakhi. So I am just going to give a shape using a toothpick. And in a piping bag I have used yellow and white color whipping cream and I have used a nozzle, doll nozzle over here, and I am going to give some swirl design, like roll the nozzle. So our strands will be ready. So same way I am going to give swirl design from the other side as well, just like a twist to the strand. So this way our Rakhi is completed now. Now using pink color whipping cream I am going to give small lines to my strand to look proper Rakhi shape. A very simple Rakhi cake using cream. I hope you all like my video, and if so, do comment me in the comment section. So the design is completed. Our Rakhi strands are ready. So on top of the strand I am going to give some pink dots using a pink gel color whipping cream. Just to highlight the strands I am going to give this pink dots on both the sides. Only to highlight my Rakhi, I have given black base on my cake. So if you use black base, you will get more attractive look to your cake. Now I'm going to give borders to my cake using 46 nozzle number with yellow color. I'm going to give some borders. So after giving the borders, in between we are going to write Happy Raksha Bandhan in the cake. Now on top of the borders, I'm going to decorate with some silver sprinkle balls. I'm going to place the silver balls on top of the borders. Now I'm going to write on the cake using Neutrogel as a base. I have mixed white color in my Neutrogel without adding any water to my Neutrogel. Directly I have applied the Neutrogel in my piping bag and I'm just going to write Happy Raksha Bandhan in my cake. So you can write in the cake using Neutrogel without adding any water or using whipping cream. Using Neutrogel will give you a shine effect to your cake. So now with the same Neutrogel, I'm going to give some designs for my cake. You can also decorate your cake with some edible photo print in your cake. So I'm just giving some simple design to my cake. Now I'm going to give some heart shape as well in my cake. So in the same Neutrogel I have mixed pink color. So this way we have completed our cake. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Thanks for watching.